The last machine that we're going to talk about installing today is the Windows machine. So this is just a normal Windows machine that with Windows 10 that we will also try to hack into. So this is going to be another victim, another target, and we're going to see how we can try and hack into this victim. Now, again, we installed Metasploitable because Metasploitable has a large number of vulnerabilities, and it's just designed so that you can hack into. Again, we've seen that it has a terminal. It's not very user friendly, as in it doesn't really mimic a normal user. For the Windows machine, this one will be used with scenarios that mimic a normal user that is just using their Windows to browse the internet or do whatever normal people do with their machines. So Microsoft has actually released a free versions or free virtual machines of Windows that you can download and use. These are free and you're allowed to download them, and we're downloading them from Microsoft's website. So you need to go into this link to download it. As you can see here, this is the same link. So make sure you select what host operating system you have. So if you have Windows, you click on the Windows tab. If you have Mac, on the Mac, and if you have Linux, on the Linux. I have a Mac, so I clicked on the Mac tab. And from here, make sure you select Windows 10 Stable. And make sure you select the VirtualBox image. So these are all applications that allow you to install virtual machines. At the moment, we're using VirtualBox for everything, so just make sure you use the VirtualBox image. Once you do that, you will have a zip file like this one. Uncompress it, and you will get this file right here. Now, this is a virtual machine, a VirtualBox virtual machine file. So I'm gonna double click it. And as you can see now, VirtualBox is asking me to import this machine, and it's already set up the settings for it right here. Now we can import it the way it is and then modify the settings. Now, as you can see here, I have my Windows installed right here, and I'm just gonna boot into it by, actually I'm gonna modify the settings first, because I remember I think it gave it 4 gigs of RAM, and I think that's too much. So I'm gonna go in to here, and I'll set this to 2 gigs. And yeah, and set that okay, and I'll start it. And as you can see, Windows starting straight away. No need to install it. It's already installed and ready and given to us by Microsoft. Now, as you can see, we have a fully working Windows machine right here, Windows 10. And this is going to be our third machine that we're going to use in our lab, and it's going to be our second attacking machine. So it's our second victim or target machine. The Kali Linux machine is the one that we're going to be using to attack both of these machines, the Windows machine and the Metasploitable machine.